Good morning, everyone. My name is Nicole Perez, and this time we will talking about the most pollution touristic activities. Okay, tourism is an important economic thing. In some places, essential for the development of their society, and to get the most out of it. In many cases, tourists are offered an open bar so that they leave their money or any pairs, even if it means causing serious damage, ecological damage. World Tourism has established itself as one of the most polluting industries. It represents 8% of global greenhouse gas emissions, of which 12% correspond to air travel. The impact of tourism will grow to 40% in 2025 if policies and habits are not changed. The vegetation of the landscapes is, in general, the element that we like the most about them. However, through actions that seem harmless to use, we usually cause damage. For example, if we collect plants, flowers, or mushrooms, the species may undergo a change or even loss in their composition. You produce carbon and you know it. It's a reality. Tourism is one of the main producers of greenhouse gases in the world, and the millions of trips involved in traveling leave a significant carbon footprint. Aviation is largely to blame for this, and planes are responsible for huge amounts of CO2 and other greenhouse gases, such as nitric acid and nitrogen dioxide. Sorry. Okay. So are the vehicles you use throughout your trip. So we will always do the environment a favor and we opt for collective or shared transport. Okay. Buy souvenirs of animal origin. It sounds like something very odd, but no, it's still the order of the day despite being persecuted. In many countries, tourism drives the dark business of animal trafficking or items of animal origin. Okay. Tourism is one of the biggest culprits of fish pollution. Fish pollution is the presence of harmful substances on the coast, such as garbage, plastic, oil, and even pesticides. Visitors leave behind plastic cups, glass bottles, and all kinds of rubbish. This destroys the ecosystem, and affects marine life. Marine animals end up swallowing the debris, causing serious health problems. Currently, 700 million marine species are threatened with extinction due to swallowing or ingesting plastic. Making our trips a sustainable activities is essential so that we can continue traveling for many years. Since there are more and more of us who carry out tourism around the world, and it's in our hands to take care of the place we visit, as well as to preserve them for generations future can enjoy it. And thank you. Bye.